Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to take 2 of Solana. I wanted to make this video a little bit earlier, but then my microphone cut out, so I'll be monitoring it. But welcome back. Welcome back this morning. We'll do a full analysis on Solana, but we also have to talk about some news, all right? Because earlier today, what we heard about the SEC investigation into Binance is that they are no longer, as part of their investigation into Binance, or I believe it was Binance, I'm not 100% sure, but I do think so. They're no longer alleging that a lot of these coins are securities. That's no longer part of their investigation, or at least it seems like it. Here you can see. They intend to amend the complaint against third-party tokens. So it's not completely sure yet what they are amending, but it is perceived as something bullish. At least initially we saw some sort of a spike, but for now we are still very much waiting for what type of effect this has. And I don't necessarily think the market has an idea yet what this means. Because if the SEC is no longer alleging that a coin like Solana is a security, that obviously opens up the way for a Solana ETF, right? Which is super bullish. That might have already been priced in a little bit after Van Eck created that first application for the Solana ETF. That's a possibility, but long term, the institutional interest in Solana, coupled with the other fundamentals, the other bullish fundamentals we've been talking about for a longer period of time, including the network growth and usage of Solana at this point of time, which is absolutely skyrocketing. And then we haven't even talked about the community, but the community you can see in the usage statistics, right? So you have that combination of Solana already outperforming Bitcoin for the last, for the last weeks, and still in that uptrend, all right? So at this moment, Solana is still outperforming Bitcoin, at least over the last couple of days. I mean, it's obviously a trend, right? So every hour it can be difficult, but all right. So if you combine that with the potential institutional interest, but also institutional buying of Solana in the future, due to it not being a security and due to it being more easy to purchase, in combination with the fundamentals we already see for Solana, I think it's foolish to be bearish on Solana. Now, the thing though is that if you look at both the markets, but also Solana right here, I think the technical situation short term is not super bullish, right? Obviously, we have the interest rate tomorrow, so that is most likely causing some sort of some sort of pressure or some sort of an incentive for investors and traders to hold back. And what you can see as well is that yesterday we lost a lot of open interest here, so we lost some momentum, and that is also right now not really returning. I mean, it's growing, the open interest, but it's not at the same levels as it was when we turned very bullish, of course, yesterday. So I think we're losing some momentum. We're not really finding much support either from strong support levels. Like 180 should be a very strong support level. The fact that we are not really gaining much support from there is a bearish indication. So short term, I actually do think that like you should be prepared for the move up. As you can see, I also have a price alert at 187. If we break above 187 here with momentum, we will obviously be bullish, all right? And we will obviously rally into the 200s. But for now, short term, I would say it's a little bit more likely that we will see somewhat of a pullback, not into 180, but a bit lower into the 175, 170 region. So that's short term what I expect. From there, I expect support, probably some mild support at first without momentum. So that we will consolidate a bit here. Potentially, if Bitcoin turns very bearish, who knows, a drop into 164 again, that would be ideal. That would be a guaranteed buy for me at least. But ultimately, for now, I think we will drop down into the level, consolidate, and then gain that momentum to get up towards 200. That seems most likely. Now, like I said, due to Solana just being bullish, we can turn bullish at any hour, all right? So you should be prepared for that, and I do want to stress that. It's just that at the moment of speaking right now, it seems a bit more likely that we will pull back a little bit further. But those are my thoughts. That's all I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.